week, we're gonna be there at All Black and Shades, courtesy of DJ Swift. So people look out for that one. It's gonna be crazy. So lots of DJs, lots of sounds. Of course, Dream Team, we're gonna be there live as well. So do look out for that one. The 18th of May, all bus drivers link up. We're gonna be definitely on that one as well. We're gonna be in Manchester as well. Look out for that one. Each and every Thursday is called Throwback Thursdays. All right. It's approximately 27 minutes coming up to 10 right here in London, England. This is TGM Radio, up alive right here each and every Tuesday. I think we got some connection back again. Meddik is back with us. Hi, good evening. How you doing? Again? Meddik, can you hear us?
I'm not hearing you.
Oh, she's not hearing me. Let me see if I can fix
Yeah,
that.
I'm hearing you now.
Hey, you can hear me now. Apologies for that just now. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. I think it's a question that I asked you earlier and caused that, you know.
I think so too. I think we should just skip it.
I think you know for the sake of our studio, we're gonna skip that one. Yeah. So how do you find the business as a female? Because I realize in the business now there's a lot of the females are getting very competitive. Especially there's this little saga going around with I don't want to bring you into anything, but I'm just using it for example. Spice D and Gel. Do you find that in the business the females are as unified as they should be, or do you think that something needs to change?
I don't think we're as unified as we should be,
Yeah.
and I really don't know why. Because as new artists coming into the industry, that is something that I've always wondered why. Because I mainly get support from the male artists versus female. I do get some form of support from a small amount of females. I mean, I could count them on one hand.
Yeah.
So I don't know if it's, females are chatty by me, don't know if that's the reason.
Yeah. I can say the same thing too as well, because I'm not really feeling the love. There's definitely more diverse in terms of the female artists right now, because there's lots of you guys doing it different yourself. A bit of fresh new air is always welcome, and I like to see when time female of yourself try to make an impact, and which you are doing so not only by your music, you're using whatever you have, and it's working. The social media is working for you, because I realized
It is.
you did a song with Shino. I really like that song, and I said
Okay.
I wanted to touch on that song because I'm trying to figure out if that was your true story.
I mean, I don't really want to get too much in that, but
Yeah.
it was a song that I thought that needed to be done because it happens every day, especially in Jamaica. But we as a culture, we learn to just keep everything hush hush because of how it would look on our family members.
Yeah.
And I'm the type of person I like to use my platform as a voice.
Yeah.
So I did that, and it's surprisingly a lot of males and females started reaching out to me, and they were like, "Oh my God, it's like exactly what I'm feeling,"
It is.
and whatever. So, I got in contact with persons who can actually help them because I mean, I can only give them
You can only be the
comforting
voice.
advice.
Yeah. 'Cause
Yeah.
the song is very touching, and it tells a story so often overlooked because it's been happening for years, and we've seen it happening, and it's just like it was just in your face, like, wow, somebody said it, especially from a female as yourself, because I thought it was your story, to be honest, and I'm like, yeah, good, you mentioned something about it because that's a way of overcoming, which is something that is not very easy to overcome. We all can agree, but if it
It isn't
is,
overcome, but I mean, I've learned to talk about things. That's how you overcome things.
that's good, great. So for 2019 now, what do you have trending? I can see Boss Chick is certainly changing.
That is certainly getting a lot of traction. I mean, I have Boss Chick, which is one of my hottest singles out now,
Yeah.
along with Waistline. And I have a new hot single about to drop from Knockout Production. It is called Money Feelings.
Yep.
So, yeah.
Yeah. I like the waistline one. I like the waistline. I was listening to that one on the way to the studio as well. Very good song. I think it will do good.
You know, Mm?
I think it will do good for
For that one,
the ladies.
yeah, for that one, it was actually on my birthday. I was like, yo, I don't want to do anything for my birthday. I just want to go to the studio. And we were there vibing, and I was like, because I'm always whining. I can't dance, but I try.
Yeah. You like me. I like music, but you know, my producer always tell me I have one dance, and I keep it
Yeah,
simple, and it works for me. I don't know, but it works for me.
yeah. So
Yeah.
that's how that song came about.
Okay. Definitely. Can you just give me like a quick maybe 10 seconds out of the song, so for people who's watching now probably can know what I'm talking about. The Waistline singer. People will live here with Meddik. She's gonna give me about 5 to 10 seconds song of the Waistline. You ready?
I can the clean version.
Yes, please make sure you do the clean
Catholic.
version. Please, I beg you, please do the clean version.
Just making sure. Just making sure. I know you're watching cause you're coming over. See me nice thick ties wanna be my lover. You want me to sit down for you. Hope you wanna joker this year. Love that boy, we turn you over. You're not ready for no waistline boy. You're not ready for no waistline boy. When me I catch it up and then me break fine, yeah. But hope you know waistline boy.
See it, see it, see it, see it. Yeah, well received, well received, well received. You know, we have an audience. We say, round of applause, round of applause. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's good though. Look at song, and I hope it does do good. Because I realize you put the effort into it, and I said you chose to work on your birthday. More people wanted to turn up on the birthday, but obviously you decided to do the other way around. That's good.
Yeah.
We'd like to thank you very much for joining us, and we wish you all the best in the future. And for everyone that's watching right now, can you just read out how we can find you and find you online, please?
Okay, so for my Instagram, it is Meddik Official, and the Meddik is spelled MEDIKK
Yep.
Official. For YouTube, it is Meddik Official Vivo, one word, and for all other social media, it is Meddik Official or Meddik Music.
Okay, lovely. There you have it. Any last words before we go? Anybody you want big up
Well,
or
I mean,
anything?
I just want everybody. Okay, I want to big up everybody that I'm working with so far. So, you know, big up Papidan, big up Knockout, big up my team, everybody on my team, Sika, Jervis, everybody. I can't list everybody, and I know how it goes. And I trust everybody, you know how that goes. So,
Yeah.
I mean, I want everybody to look out for me because I mean, I'm the next hottest thing coming out of Jamaica. Like, yeah.
See it? I remember for people, you heard it first right here at Upper Live Show. People, Meddik, please look out for her. And she's going to be doing crazy things. And I like her energy, and she should be doing very hot things for 2019. Look out for this summer. Meddik, all the best to you and the music career, all right? And we're definitely going to be keeping in touch, all right?
Okay, thanks.
Cool, no worries. All right, people, stick and stay. We're going to be talking to couple more guests. We're going to be here live with us this evening. We're going to be up until the hours of 11 p.m. Remember, the show is sponsored by Shush Prince, Vast Prince, and we are produced by World Mag Media. Keep it locked this way. We got some brand new music coming up shortly. It's approximately 18 minutes coming up to the hours of 10. In approximately 2 minutes, we're going to be having the plug. And a whole heap of things up on the plug this evening. So, people, stick and stay, you know. Don't move a muscle, you know. Up alive and your radio until